so it's really foggy. I'm making my way north with the wind and the waves. So I planned it. It's gonna be good enough for a topwater bite. I'm gonna try the double plopper. The double plopper. Man, it's freaking foggy out here, guys. You can't see the shoreline. If it wasn't for Google Maps, I'd be lost. Honestly, that's how bad it is out here. Like right now, I don't know where Jaime is. For some reason, the fish like to walk the dog. Okay, we got one right here. Jaime's on. Something big too. It's got a nice trout. I tell you, the big ones are out here. Jaime got over here. Look at that big fat trout.
Oh man, I hope. Oh, please be smart.
It's a nice trout early in the morning. Thick. She's a thick one. Let's cut off his drift. let's beat him. That's what we came to Port Mansfield for right there. Let's see if I can get one on my topwater. Okay, I went over to redrift the hot spot, but we heard her. Jaime's on again over there. What do you got, a paddle tail?
Yeah, pink and white.
Oh,
yeah, another keeper. Oh, it's gonna come loose.
okay, Jaime's killing it with a paddle tail, so I'm gonna switch over to my marker.
Whoa.
Marker
Get
54.
out of here, guys.
Quick. I'm down 2-0 before the sun's even up. Rick's Rock and Reel is down 0-2. I got one! Ah, catfish! Stupid catfish. We're drifting pretty fast, and we got way off our spot. So we tried to go to our spot, but since we couldn't see and orient ourselves with the land, I just like basically was going in, not in circles, but I was traveling, but I never got to the spot. I'm still a little off. But I think I'm drifting towards the sandbar, according to my Google Maps. So the safe haven is the sandbar. Yeah, I'm up here. I'm drifting that way. I think, you know, I eat the same way, but sometimes I pass the dam. Come on, folks. I hope I'm recording. No, this is the same one. I might have not recorded the first one.
I think I recorded the second one.
No, we're getting close to the bar, I think, right? But hopefully, you know, I want a quick trip because I gotta do some stuff. I got one, a good one too. I hope it's not a ladyfish. Oh, it's a nice trout. Oh yeah, it's a little trout. Oh no, it's a nice trout. It's a keeper trout, let's put it that way. Oh, she got gonna lose it, that's what's gonna happen.
Oh, come on, Rick.
I brought it too high on my chica. I'm puro amateur. Oh, you had one too? Oh yeah, you know. See right here, we had anchors right here. Okay, let me get my stringer. We finally found them. We finally got back to our spot. Oh no. Man, you could be the best. Well, I still got the hook in the mouth, so that's good. You could be the best, most prepared, and then something happens like this. I'm not gonna measure it. Well, let's measure it. Just to be sure what. Oh yeah. See, but this is what happens. You catch something and then you drift off your spot. It was like a 15 and a half. It was firing like a big one though. I didn't record the fight, but you're my witness. Woo! 2 for 2! 2 to 2! We're not keeping score, but it's 2 to 2. Just let's measure it just in case, but I know a keeper when I see it, and that is oh yeah, folks. It's gonna be close, but I don't think so. Nah. 14. Nah, a little short. Little short, man. Start recording. It's another small one. It's gonna be close. Start recording. Jesus Christ. I don't know what's happening to this darn. I don't know what happened to this darn camera, man. I think I've caught already 6 fish that it hasn't gotten. This is gonna be close to my keeper. This is gonna be close, folks. It's gonna be close. Let's see what it measures here. No, 15's way the hell down there. 15's way the hell down there. Mira, papacito. Woo-hoo! Yep. On an AM lure. AM lure? That's the first fish I've caught on the AM lure. There's my limit, folks. I don't know if the camera got them, but there they are. Okay. Ah, you. This is the setup I have right here. It's Cajun Thunder with about 18 liter, 1/16 ounce, and a white AM lure. I started using it to go over the grass, so I'm working it kind of aggressively, just popping a like constant retrieve with pops. Oh, there it is. I think I found a new marker 54. Another one, but it's small. It's a small one, folks, but yeah, this one I like it because I'm working it faster, and it's got, I like it. I'm a fan of the curly tail, like the gulps. I used to like the gulps, but the stupid gulps, they bite it one time and it comes off. So well guys, that's gonna be it. It got kind of rough. It's already past 11. Just when I predicted it's gonna get rough, the sun never came out. It was just foggy all day long. But I got my limit of speckled trout. Jaime got I think he got 2, and we just couldn't find the reds. We ran out of time and it got too rough. But yeah, December 29th, last day of the year. I probably won't be fishing for another week. Let's see how it goes to New Year. So happy New Year, and hope you enjoy the video. I'm down.